Hello students and welcome on YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. This is Kirti ma'am and this lecture for class 10th maths. Students, in my last video I had started a new chapter which is coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry I already explained you how to plot a point on the graph paper and how to find a distance between the given points. So now in this video I'll solving a questions from exercise 6.2. Hello students, the question is shows that the point 4, 3, 6, 4, 5, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of the square. Now in this question we have to show these points are the vertices of a square. So first of all I'll draw a simple diagram of a square and mark their vertices. So here this is a square of vertices A, B, C and D. Now taking these points, this is 4, 3, this is 6, 4 and this is 5, 6 and D is 3, 5. After marking the points, we know that the side of a square is equal. All sides of a square is equal, so AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD. Now we have to prove that with the help of these points, these conditions is fulfilled. Then we have to say that the points are the vertices of a square. So this is a claim, we have to prove it. So solution is, now we have to find the length of AB with the distance formula. The distance formula is distance between the point is under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. By using this formula, we have to find the length of AB, BC, CD and AD. Then after finding these lengths, I am going to prove that these all lengths are equal. Then we say that, then we conclude it, these vertices are of the square. So first of all, find the length AB. AB is equals to 4, A having a point 4 and 3 and B is 6, 4. So we marked as 4 is x1 and 3 is y1. Similarly, 6 is x2 and 4 is y2. Then putting these value on the distance formula, then we have 4 minus 6 whole square plus 3 minus 6, 3 minus 4 whole square. Then 4 minus 6 is minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 4 is minus 1 whole square. This is square, minus 2 square is 4 plus minus 1 square is 1. This is root 5. So we have a length of AB is root 5. Similarly, we have to calculate the other lengths. Now BC. BC is equals to, BC is x2, y2 and take 5 as x3 and 6 as y3. Then putting the value on the given formula. Then we have 6 minus 5 whole square plus 4 minus 6 whole square, such that these are 6 minus 5 is minus 1 square, plus 1 square, and 4 minus 6 is minus 2 square. Then we get 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4. So which is root 5. So we have the length of BC is root 5. Similarly, find DC, and DC 3 is x4 and 5 is y4. Then under root 5 minus 3 whole square plus 6 minus 5 whole square. Then 5 minus 3 is 2 whole square plus 6 minus 1 is 1 whole square. It are 4 plus 1, which is root 5. Then after finding, we have to calculate the length of AD. AD is x1 is 4 and y1 is 3 and x4 is 3 and y4 is 5. Under root 4 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square, which is under root 1 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4. So we have root 5. Then after finding the length, we have to equate all the length. AB is root 5, BC is root 5, DC is root 5, and the last AD is also a root 5. Then it can be write as AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD is equals to under root 5. So we at the last we already proved that our claim that AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD. Hence we say that the given point are the vertices of a square. So here this is the complete solution. Thank you.